and welcome to another review of a kit that I've recently got on yorkshireman models. Today we've got an Eduard, a weekend edition BF110E. It's in this scale of 172. Again, nice box art. All these kits these days, they're doing really good box art, it seems to be. You can see this one's just bombed a ship, it's dropping more bombs, and he's got his wingman following along with him as well. Side at box, item number, I don't know if that 29.95 is meant to be price. If it is, I didn't pay nowhere near that. Eduard address, just saying model, scale of it, English section, advanced model as it says, decals for 4 marking options, only one kit which is usual. Side at box is again just the usual. It's got the item number if you're seeing it on the shelf, and then on the side here, which is a bit better, we've got the 4 markings and colour schemes you can do. Just a quick look at it there. Again, kit number and scale and what it is, BF. Right, spin around, see what we've got. First off, clear parts on they're very strange and different, a circular sprue. I think it's the first time I've known a circular sprue. One bag full of parts there, another bag full of parts there, set of instructions, set of decals. Away now. Right, we'll do the instructions first. I'll just let you know I paid £13.95 for this kit from the Scale Model Shop online shop in the UK. Bit about the BF110 from A to G's, the different ones, the combat, and a little bit about this kit. A lot of these are really worth reading. It's just I'm not going to do it now for you because that's for you to do. We've got colourised thingies. It's not massively over colourised, but it's showing you different with your decals and stuff there. But we've got parts not in use is the blue ones, so those parts there, those parts there we will not be using. And then you've got them at the bottom, colours needed. And it shows you that where it says there, and if you look at the kit like there, you can see they're meant to be there. So a quick flick through just to show you quick instructions. Looks quite fast build actually, look at it. Yeah. We've got an open canopy you can have, or you can have a closed canopy, which is nice. I do like it when they let you have an open and closed, because if you've got a good detailed canopy, at least you can see a bit more inside it. You've got your wheels up, and I presume you can have them down if you want. Wheels down, sorry, and I'm presuming you can have them up if you wanted. You just close all of that up. And then you've got final parts of construction, and then you've got your, these are beautiful colour photos here, or pictures, not photos should I say. You've got one scheme telling you your colours for what you have to paint as well, but it's also telling you your decals, which is these red ones. The second one, the B one there, the next one C there, and the third one D there. They all look nice, to be honest. I like them. the wasp or bee, but I'd say it's wasp to be honest, wasp at front there. But that one's got a nice one with a white and the like shark's teeth or something like that. So. And then you've got more decals, stenciling as a lot of people call them, on there. These are the most common ones probably. Right, we'll do the decals. I'm old school, I still call them decals. I know a lot of people like use the word stenciling, but hey, I'm 50-year-old now. So here we go. This is, I presume this is for all of them. I'll be on all of them. Just see if I can get it to. That's it. Very tiny, very clear decals. Eduard do good ones. Never really had any problem with Eduards. And then you've got this one. There's a new one come out. I don't think this one is it, and you actually get to take another carrier film off of it, so you don't get that silvering around the edge. I've seen a video or two, really worth watching, looking for it, because they're interesting. And you've got the rest, which are obviously going on the others. I'll just put that down. I'll just put these back in this bag. There we go. I know there's German swastikas, and I know some people don't like them, but must remember we're building a detailed model kit for, you can say historical reference, historical reasons, but that's what it is. Whether you use the swastikas or not, it's up to you. So, we'll do the actual plastic parts now. I do like these resealable bags from Eduard, but they always end up getting all stuck together with me. Slightly glossy finished plastic, which is usual. I've noticed that from them. Nice crystal clear parts. I can't see any flash. There's the bombs. Bottom there. We've got nose cone. And obviously I think that's the machine guns that are going to go in it. Turn her over and you can see there's a nice bit of detail there on the cockpit. It's like instruments, cabling, there's even the cabling going across the top, that's nice. Turn it around and you should be able to see, just get it to refocus again, come on. That's it. And there's a bit more detail on that side as well. And the underside of these, got some pin marks, but it's hidden, hopefully, all of that is. And then the other side, there's an extremely nice detail on this. And that's it, as you can see there, look. Nice, lots and lots, rivet markings. It's very nice. Again, no flash on that section. This looks like the nose cone section. And I'm presuming with having two different ones here, it's for the two different standard styles. Oh no, it won't. These are a bit engines for it. A bit too engine, yeah. Oh, forgetting about that. So that's that one. Now for this is your big bag of sprues, is there? Four, I think this is in this one. So we've got another interior one, another main one, hull, fuselage, sorry, another fuselage there on that. Quite a few parts as well, small parts. You've got one propeller on that one. You've got the same again on that. Presuming it's for two different ones that you can do. Again, propeller, lots of bits. Again, no flash, really. There's tiniest bit on that bit there. That's it. All of these are really nice and clear. The bottom section, not sure that shouldn't have holes in it, but oh, no, I might be wrong. Probably am. Underneath, again, nice and detailed. You can see on them there. These little tiny parts. Oh. And last one, it's got the wheels, as you can see, coming down both sides. Again, I can't really see any flash. It's a really crisp, clean kit, this. Again, it's the shiny, hard plastic. There's your instrument panel. Just there. Come on, focus, that's it. And there you go. Nicely detailed, but you're probably putting a decal over that. And last but least, we'll have a look at this round sprue. Like I say, I've never known a round sprue, but if it works, it works. And you've got your two canopies. Obviously these smaller pieces are for if you're having it open, and obviously you've got two here as well for whichever model it is for. But yeah, that is different, but I like it. There you go. For 14 quid. It's quite a nice kit. Look forward to doing that one. Especially with the colour schemes and that, you've got quite a few. Yeah, should turn out to be a nice kit. I've always known Eduards to be nice. So, thanks for watching. Hope it helps you if you're looking at buying or not one of these. And please like or subscribe. Both is fantastic for me, helps my channel out. And I'll see you around next time.